arguing. Let's pull this up. One sec. I think it's right here. To the door. Wait, I see something that way. Actually, let's just do it later. Okay, guys? This way down here, I think. Let's go again. It kind of hurts. There's way up here in that place. Now they way back here. Monitors. They really thought of bread. They're climbing up. Oh yeah, don't forget to climb it. So. They obviously did not know we're here. Whoa, it's full of milk here. They obviously did not know Marta was there inside. Let's climb it, let's go. Well, that's easy to climb up. Oops, never do it again. Let me just jump out once. We got a 3-star moves. We now can enjoy. Yay! Mars enjoy. Now that one got angry and blowing them off.